Hello and welcome to a brand new mini braid stroke mini twist challenge that we are starting in this month. Is our second challenge for the year where we are growing our natural hair long, healthy and strong. Let's get into today's video. Welcome and welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel and checking out my content. Yes, you did hear that right. It is the second challenge of 2024 and we are growing our natural hair long hair on Simply Shev. I know you've been waiting for a mini braids challenge and here is one for you, except this is with a twist. It's literally braid and twists. As usual, the key to having a good long-term protective style and being successful at the end of it is to actually prepare in a good way for your protective style. And so I am starting in this preparation video with my wash day and how I get my hair ready for a long-term protective style. So this video is really how I prepare my natural hair for long-term protective style, and in the next video I'll show you actually installing the style onto my hair. Once again, welcome if this is your first video that you are watching on my channel. It's Simply Shev. My name is Siobhan. I make content on taking care of your natural hair. I have tons of videos in my playlist section detailing how to grow your natural hair in 2022, 2023 and 2024. I've got lots of DIY playlists as well, teaching how to grow your natural hair, especially type 4 to waist length and now beyond. Now, if that's the sort of content that you like, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you know when I post content. And there will be lots of content around mini braids. Of course, there's lots of other mini braids playlists for you. So if mini braids content is what you enjoy, this is really the channel for you. So the very first step of this preparation is to make sure that my scalp is clean. And so I've divided my hair into 4 sections so that I'm able to work and get to my scalp easier. Working in sections can really help you to focus on certain areas of your hair and make sure that it's clean rather than washing it in a bundle. So I've separated it and I've got my shampoo and my conditioner, which I showed you. It's a Garnier one. It was a gift for me. It's a shampoo and a conditioner, and so I chose to use it for this preparation. So after my wash day, this is what my hair looked like, and then I went on to stretching my natural hair. As you know, I've used lots of different ways of stretching my natural hair, including banding and roller sets, and I bought this tool sometime last year which I've used in my children's hair. It's a Revlon blow drying brush and I wanted to give it a go. Now, I was a little bit skeptical about this tool because of all of the pulling and tugging of my natural hair. I probably didn't do it correctly because I didn't get great stretch from it. And so this is by no means recommending this as a way to stretch your hair. You can, of course, stretch your hair by plaiting it and plaiting it again and plaiting it again, which is normally the way I stretch my hair. And I get perfectly stretched hair from that. No heat, no damage, and my hair is stretched enough to do a protective style. But I wanted to go ahead and review this product for you. I think it's great for the price. It's a really cheap brush and a lot of ladies have success. It completely depends on your hair type and also the strength of your hair. Now, as you know, my hair was going through some breakage, and so perhaps this was not the best time. As while I was brushing my hair, quite a bit came out of it. With all of that said, I think I'd give this product about a 5 out of 10. Meaning that it's not bad, but it's also not great, and it's also not the way I will be straightening my hair. I will use it just to test it again. I never like to give up on first try, but I don't think that this one will be a regular in my regimen. I would recommend that you'd also give it a try for yourself and see if it works for you, because once again, it works great on my children's hair. And I've seen lots of reviews on it where there was a great success with using this product. So you can really try it to see if it's able to stretch your hair before you do long-term protective styling. So I will be talking about the rules of the challenge in my upcoming installation video. And once again, just make sure that you prepare very well for any long-term protective style that you do in order to see success on your long-term protective style and indeed to achieve the growth that you want on your natural hair. If you take your hair straight out of a protective style, a long-term protective style, and put it straight back in, you might see lots of damage over the course of the time. And so between my last protective style, which is the cornrow challenge, I hope you enjoy that. If you've not done that and you're looking for something alternative to this, you can try the cornrow hair growth challenge. I did take a 2-week break to ensure that my hair was able to recoup from that challenge before I started this one. And so I recommend you do the same. Take a break between your protective style in order to strengthen your hair. So I go ahead and I twist each section after I blow it out in order to keep it straight. I will say after blow drying my hair, because I didn't blow dry it on very high and I was very gentle, not all the water came out of it. Normally as I stretch my hair with the plaiting method, which is plait it again, by the end of that process, probably over the course of 2 or 3 days, my hair will be completely dry. But blow drying it in this way, I wasn't comfortable in just running the brush through it until it got dry, so it was still a little bit wet, and so by twisting it I was able to keep my hair stretched in order to install the protective style. So I go ahead, and that is indeed my last section. I will say that it didn't take me very long to blow out my hair. If you thoroughly detangle your hair after a wash day, then the process should be a lot simple, because the brush will literally just glide through your hair. And it was actually quite static with my hair, like sticking to it a bit, but I'm sure I could have just plaited it and then blow dried it once or a couple of passes through, and that would have been better. But it was really, as you can see, it's gliding through my hair okay, and it's actually getting the job done. And so here is my stretched out hair after blow drying it with the Revlon blow dry brush. Once again, I did get quite a good stretch, and going from wet to dry, I think this is good enough to be able to install a protective style on my hair. Once again, my hair looking luscious there, nice and long and thick, and just continue to protective style until I get a little bit more length in there. However, I am still really happy with the length of my hair. I'm wishing for a lot more thickness through the protective styles over 2024, and just please state down below what your goals are for 2024. I know I've not done a specific goals video, but the aim on this channel has always been to grow our natural hair longer, and so that's on there, that's at the top. I'm going to be growing out my natural hair, hence all of the challenges. Once again, if mini braids is not for you, I have a cornrow hair growth challenge and I have a full mini twist challenge. This will be a twist and braid challenge, so I will be plaiting half my hair and twisting the rest, getting the best of both worlds, if you like, and just showing you some body measurements there that my hair is still growing and it's holding on to the length nicely. And I'm really looking forward to this challenge as a way of retaining more length. So once again, in my next video, I will be getting the mini twists in my natural hair. I'm sure so many of you are looking forward to this challenge, so get prepared. Use this video as a way of getting prepared for the challenge. Give your hair a nice deep condition if you need to, any sort of treatment. Maybe you need to do a protein treatment or whatever it needs to in order to get into this challenge, which will last 8 weeks, but I'll be providing loads more information in my next video, so the installation video. And just a sneak peek, this is how I divided my hair in order to put the braids in. As usual, I want to say thank you so much for all of you, all my subscribers. Really appreciate each and every one of you. If you're not yet subscribed, do go ahead and hit the subscribe button and grow with us. In 2024, we're going to achieve so much length, so join on to any of the challenges that you feel, and also comment down below. I'm happy to answer any questions. I get back to you quite promptly, and so pop them down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.